Is your VWT5 alarm going off randomly? It's a common issue usually caused by faulty door contacts, the bonnet switch, or the interior motion sensor. First, door contacts are micro switches on each door frame. When a door opens, the switch breaks a circuit, signaling the alarm. Corrosion or misalignment can cause false positives. The bonnet switch under the hood activates the alarm if the bonnet is opened without disarming. It's a plunger-style switch wired to the alarm control unit. Faults often stem from loose mounting or wiring shorts. The interior sensor uses infrared detection to detect movement inside the van. It's a PIR sensor with adjustable sensitivity. Oversensitivity leads to random activations, especially from pets or temperature fluctuations. Start by visually inspecting each door contact for corrosion or damage. Ensure the bonnet switch is clean and properly aligned. Finally, consider whether the interior sensor is set too sensitive, especially if pets or temperature fluctuations are present. For door contacts, start by cleaning them with electrical contact cleaner and ensure they're properly aligned. If cleaning doesn't work, replace the faulty switch with aftermarket options, ranging from $20 to $50. For the bonnet switch, ensure it's securely mounted and the wiring is intact. Adjust the plunger if necessary to ensure proper tension when the hood is closed. If the interior sensor is too sensitive, try recalibrating it using third-party ECU tuners via OBD2 interfaces to reduce false triggers. If recalibration isn't possible, adjust the sensor's position or shield it from direct sunlight. Finally, check the ACU's voltage and wiring for any signs of damage or corrosion. Remember, forums like VW Vortex and YouTube tutorials offer valuable guidance, but consult a professional mechanic if unsure.